Today we are going to do an unboxing of our 30-pound canopy weights for our 10x10 Quest canopy that we got from Dick's Sporting Goods. Let's get started. These are the weights for the canopy. So it's windy, like today, you want the canopy to blow over or fall down, right?
Mommy, we're in a club for those.
These are the weights. So you get 4 of them.
And
they're stackable. They're 30 pounds. They're pretty heavy.
Can't hold it.
And I'll show you how to use it. So your legs stick out this way, and then you have your little tie downs there. These just going to simply slide in like that. How simple. That way, if you're on the beach or anything like that, you don't have to worry about it blowing off, because there's no way you can spike them down in the sand. Bit of overcast. We got rain probably in the area. It's a little windy today, and our canopy is going literally nowhere. So I am going to put a link below for the canopy itself and the weights. The canopy, we got it on special for just a little over $100, and the weights were, I believe, like $37 for the 4. That's gonna wrap up this unboxing video of 2 awesome products. Until next time, happy trails.